Welcome to your kitchen and bath update. My name is Shaun Ayala. In today's episode, we will be talking about 3 luxury outdoor kitchen brands to consider for your next project. This episode is sponsored by Pacific Sales Kitchen and Home, a Best Buy company serving Southern California's kitchens, baths, and outdoor spaces since 1960. There are many luxury outdoor kitchen brands on the market, each with their own unique features and design. When it comes to creating the outdoor kitchen for your clients or customers this year, here are 3 luxury outdoor kitchen brands to consider. Number 1, Lynx. Lynx is known for their high-quality grills, and they also offer a range of outdoor kitchen appliances and accessories to fit your specific needs. What I do love about Lynx is that they offer a design service to support designers and customers to create their desired outdoor kitchen setup. Their specialty cooking items also stands out to me. The Lynx Napoleon oven is not just your typical outdoor pizza oven. From being able to make bread to cooking your favorite meats, this is a great add-on piece to any outdoor kitchen that can be used to entertain guests. Their Asada cooktop is a flat top grill, which is a great addition, allowing you to make complimentary dishes with your flamed grill. They also offer a variety of other appliances such as built-in refrigerators, warming drawers, faucets, sinks, and a cocktail station. Last, their products are designed and manufactured in the USA. With a lifetime warranty and a huge selection of products, they are actually your one-stop brand to creating the outdoor space your clients deserve. Number 2. Heston Outdoor. Heston Outdoor is a relatively new player in the luxury outdoor kitchen space. They've been around for a while, but they have quickly made a name for themselves with their innovative designs. They offer a range of grills, cooktops, pizza ovens, and other outdoor kitchen equipments to create the experience your clients want. If your clients or customers desire color in their outdoor environment, this is why I love this brand. They have over 10 colors to choose from for their outdoor products, and they are also made in the USA. And the last one, number 3, DCS. DCS is a luxury outdoor kitchen brand that offers a variety of products, including grills, refrigerators, side burners, and a beer dispenser. What I love about this brand is the attention to details and the innovation, especially with their Series 9 product. From the interior lighting to the options for a charcoal smoker tray, DCS has incredible space for cooking for a crowd. The Series 9 has a secondary cooking space that can fit a broiling pan for slow cooking, roasting, sauces, or to keep food warm after searing. Again, there are many other luxury outdoor kitchen brands to consider, and the right choice will depend on your specific needs, cooking style, and preferences. It's important to do your research or visit your nearest kitchen and bath showroom to learn more. And that's it for your KB update. If you found today's information informative, please hit that like button or that notification bell or that subscribe button. Better yet, please give us a rating. We would love to hear from you. Again, my name is Shaun Ayala, and we'll see you in the next episode.